Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying requirements. Confirm your controller supports Bluetooth or Xbox wireless and that your phone, tablet, or PC has Bluetooth enabled or an adapter connected. Sign into your Microsoft account and open Xbox Cloud Gaming so the session is ready. Once done, press and hold the controller pairing button until the light flashes. This tells your device to advertise the controller. Make sure power is sufficient. Low battery can interrupt pairing. Now move quickly to your device's Bluetooth or adapter menu to detect it. You should now see the controller appear in your device's Bluetooth list or the adapter's pairing mode. Select it to connect. If prompted, allow any permissions and accept pairing requests. This secures the link. After connection, test the controller in a simple local app or the Xbox game bar to confirm buttons and sticks respond correctly before launching Cloud Play. Once validated, open an Xbox Cloud Gaming title. This lets you confirm latency and mapping and ensures the controller remains the active input for the streaming session. To finish, make sure your network is optimized. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet for lower latency and place the device near the router. If input drops or buttons don't register, press the Xbox button to wake and reboot the controller briefly, then reconnect if necessary. You should also update controller and device firmware and remove stale Bluetooth pairings that can interfere. If problems persist, repair the controller and restart the cloud session. This resolves most remaining issues and restores a stable gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.